Now, after the massive political storm erupts over the contentious farm bills, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has intensified his attack at the opposition over these bills there. Addressing the issue for the first time, Prime Minister Modi said that opposition is misleading the farmers by peddling lies and accused the opposition for not working in the interest of farmers. Defending the bill, Prime Minister Modi said that these bills will empower farmers as they can sell their produce across the world. He also added that these bills have removed middlemen between farmers and consumers, which will directly benefit these farmers. This comes as the Congress has slammed the government and called the bills a toxic triangle. Congress also said that states were not discussed before passing this bill. They were not consulted. Meanwhile, a day after Shiromani Akali Dal MP Harsimrat Kaur Badal resigned from the Union Cabinet, a high-level meet to begin shortly to decide on the party's future course of action. Akali is likely to demand Punjab Chief Minister's resignation there for his presence in the committee that this bill was prepared.
जिस एपीएमसी एक्ट को लेकर अब ये लोग राजनीति कर रहे हैं, एग्रीकल्चर मार्केट के प्रावधानों में बदलाव का विरोध कर रहे हैं, उसी बदलाव की बात इन लोगों ने अपने घोषणा पत्र में भी लिखी थी। लेकिन अब जब एनडीए सरकार ने ये बदलाव कर दिया है, तो ये लोग इसका विरोध करने पर, झूठ फैलाने पर, भ्रम फैलाने पर उतर आए हैं। सिर्फ विरोध के लिए विरोध करने का ये एक के बाद एक अनेक उदाहरण सामने आ रहे हैं। लेकिन ये लोग ये भूल रहे हैं कि देश का किसान कितना जागृत है। वो ये देख रहा है कि कुछ लोगों को, किसानों को मिल रहे नए अवसर उनको पसंद नहीं आ रहे हैं। देश का किसान ये देख रहा है कि वो कौन से लोग हैं जो बिचौलियों के साथ खड़े हैं। अब ये दुष्प्रचार किया जा रहा है कि सरकार के द्वारा किसानों को एमएसपी का लाभ नहीं दिया जाएगा। ये भी मनगढ़ंत बातें कही जा रही हैं कि किसानों से धान, गेहूं इत्यादि की खरीद सरकार द्वारा नहीं की जाएगी। ये सरासर झूठ है, गलत है, किसानों के साथ धोखा है। हमारी सरकार किसानों को एमएसपी के माध्यम से उचित मूल्य दिलाने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। पहले भी थे, आज भी हैं, आगे भी रहेंगे। सरकारी खरीद भी पहले की तरह जारी रहेगी।
Now, it's not just the opposition, but the government is also facing resistance from its oldest ally, Shiromani Akali Dal. Let's take a listen.
I think I owed it to the farmers of India, and especially to the farmers of my state, who for the last many weeks, despite the scare of COVID, have been out on the streets, sitting on dharnas, be it old women, old men, young children, to have their voice heard by the central government about the apprehensions against these ordinances, which they feel is going to ruin their future and the future of their children. My party decided that we were going to oppose these ordinances because they had not complied and fulfilled the apprehensions that the farmers were facing. And as a member of the government, because they had brute majority and numbers, so it was going to get passed, I did not want to be a part of that government which would shove this down the throats of my farmers, who felt that with this legislation today, their future has been ruined for good.
हमारे इस विधेयक से राज्य के एपीएमसी एक्ट को कोई भी नुकसान नहीं होने वाला है। राज्य का एपीएमसी एक्ट है, वो राज्य रखना चाहे रहें, परिवर्तन करना चाहे परिवर्तन करें, लेकिन हमें इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं। एमएसपी किसानों के लिए, एमएसपी पर भारत सरकार खरीद करती थी, खरीद करती है और आने वाले कल में भी खरीद करती रहेगी। इस बिल का जो लोग विरोध कर रहे हैं उनको बिल पढ़ना चाहिए और अगर वो किसान के पक्षों को देखकर बिल को देखेंगे तो किसान का हित उनको दिखाई देगा और अगर राजनीतिक दृष्टि से देखेंगे तो राजनीति दिखाई देगी.
They said whatever we are offering right now also, maybe paddy, maybe the wheat, whatever it may be, the prices are 1.5 times more than the earlier prices. That doesn't mean it is higher than MSP or equivalent to MSP. And that is what is very, very important, and everybody accused on that. And that is what we were saying, that kindly incorporate this word MSP in that agreement clause so that the farmers will be protected in their life.
Now coming up next, stage all set for